everyone, today we'll be taking you to a place called Bondi, and at this event there is a Festival of the Winds. So it's actually like a kite festival that is held annually, and it's an international kite flying event. It's a competition of kite flying which is held every September at the Waverley Council. And this festival is held at springtime. As you can see, there are many people who are flying their kites and just walking around to have a look at, see what the event is about. So the story was that the Festival of the Winds was started in 1978 by a group of wind energy enthusiasts, and it has grown to become one of the biggest attractions used by other kite flying professional performances. And over here you'll be able to see lots of kinds of kites in different amazing forms and shapes, from rainbow swirls, colors to animals, you name it. And this event is also packed with activities for adults and children alike by the beach. And you would also see performances that are also held.
And then for an end.
Time lapse?